Welcome back to the Offroad Kennel. Come and see how we manage with a 510 kilo payload. But just remember too, if you like what we do, feel free to like and subscribe. But you know what? It's free. Let's go take a look. As I said, come inside and we'll show you how to deal with storage under a ton. Let's go and start with the bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom. Yes, we chose a combination bathroom because it kept that bigger internal footprint, but you have to be a little bit more clever with storage. Now, this internal sink and cupboard, I recommend don't take it out because we keep all the cassette chemicals in here, all the spare toilet paper, a few other spares. You've got to maximize the space you have available and be practical at the same time. Don't you love the bathroom cupboard? I would also advise you don't take this out. It does carry a lot, but everything goes into separate little storage containers. So if the door did bounce open, things aren't getting broken or lost, but you've got to maximize the storage in your van. This is what works for us. Another good hack is fabric storage boxes. I think we picked these up from Bunnings just for a few bucks. I think I got 6. Carries our books because we haven't invested into a Kindle yet, and some of our wet weather jackets and backpacks. It just keeps everything neat and tidy. I always nag Steve and go, everything has a place in the van. We've got dual cupboards in the van. We did lose some cupboards to my right because we put internal fridge, but good storage hack. Drawers and rollers. This is my side. Of course, my side's really neat. Then we come down, we've got drawers, and I just stack other stuff down in there. These came from Big W and eBay from memory, but just keeps everything in place. Fits perfectly. We don't even fill all the cupboards in our van. Over on the messy side, aka Steve's, we actually store the dog winter jackets in here. Our winter jackets, the all-weather, are elsewhere. He's got all the drawers, really handy, worth every cent. Just to keep everything, I always say, everything must have its place in a small space. Kitchen may not necessarily be big, but we also have an indoor and outdoor kitchen. In here, this fell out, is all the dirty rags, very handy for the dust. Gotta love. Dual access drawers. I can come from inside, outside, carries all the crockery, cutlery. It's cold, so hot chocolate. Feel free to sponsor us, Cadbury. He likes Marlow. All the pots and pans come down into the second drawer. So if it is a bit chilly, I can whip it up onto the hot plates inside. Got to have his and her sides of the bed and the travelling bears, absolutely. Scooting across through here. An eagle eye might notice, yep, we've actually got a different dinner room for a change, but hey, I like purple. So I've got my side of the bed and all the cupboards. So across the men in the house aside. I'll just scoot up a little bit here to this cupboard. And also Sistema. Hey, I'll take sponsorship from Sistema. This is just how we work the storage. This is how you fit everything in under a ton payload. We're a lot less than a ton and we manage. And this is where the dog food hides. Don't tell the doggies. I'll just scoot up a little bit. I can fit a heap on top if I need to, but we don't even fill our cupboards here. Yeah, just zoom in a little bit. Good old fusion lock. So handy above the kitchen bench. It's actually quite tidy for us at the moment, but hey. Spare cupboard under the battery management system. Yeah, it's a bit messy at the moment. Why do I have a paintbrush? Well, a dry paintbrush gets all the dirt and dust off the flywire door. So this just becomes a bit of our dry food storage, all our keys and everything. Well, not all our keys. They live in different spots as well. We talked about the dual access indoor-outdoor drawers, which Steve was not buying a van without, but everything fits perfectly. Buy everything according to weight like we did. Don't overpack. So all the crockery up here. Excuse the noise for a minute. Little pots and pans just live down here. There are only 2 of us, but I think it's adaptable for a large family as well. And a great little shopping board.
Right, out the front of it, we've got 3 really big toolboxes, one on either side, carry gas bottle storage and a whole heap of other stuff when you're not moving. And in the middle, I'll open it up and you can have a look at it, is more storage space, including enough room for 2 20-litre jerry cans, We keep one for petrol, one for diesel, petrol for the generator, diesel for the diesel heater.
Right, and up the front here, just next to the fridge side, we've got another storage compartment. We keep all our hoses and bits and pieces in it, in bags to keep them nice and tidy. And they fit nice and neatly away in there for later on. So I hope you got some good tips out of what we've done with our storage. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.